day, sir. I'm Gino Vincent,
I am Sergio Bagtasa.
and today we'll be sharing our resilience activity. So, Sergio, what's one challenging experience you overcame the past year?
For me, it was handling a pressure school deadlines.
And what personal qualities or challenges help you get through it?
I think patient time management.
Nice. So, what did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I can actually handle more than I thought as long as I stay focused. How about you? What one challenging experience you overcome in the past year?
Mine was adjusting to the workload in Czech college, which also balancing my personal life.
And what qualities or strategies help you get through it?
Discipline, staying organized, and leaning on friends for support.
So finally, what did you learn about yourself during the time?
I learned that I am capable of adapting and pushing through difficult times. Right now, my biggest source of stress is exams and projects. And I think taking short breaks and managing my time better will be help me cope.
Mine is worrying about my future after graduation. What might help me is staying positive.
Sergio, your personal strength is your patience. Remember this affirmation. I am capable of facing challenges with calm and determination. And for this week, your resilience strategy is to take short breaks when you feel stressed.
And for you, your personal state is your discipline. Your affirmation is I can handle whatever come my way.
That's
That's
our resilience plan.